Today we're going to be doing a simple walkthrough of this mini album that I made using a 6x6 paper pad from Prima called Stationer's Desk, so stay tuned. Hey and howdy everyone, it's Jeannie with Paper Pixie Ink, and today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of this 6x6 by 2.5 mini album. I made this album using a 6x6 paper pad from Prima called Stationer's Desk. Now I did keep it pretty simple. The front cover is just a little bit of crocheted lace, and then I used a cut apart and I matted it on some black glitter cardstock just to give it a little bit more oomph. The spine is again pretty simple. The chain is generally just a long chain that I use some jump rings to kind of gather up, and then I added a few little charms. My tie is just a little bit of chiffon ribbon. I really love using this in my mini albums. I have it in lots of different colors, and it works really well for ties and bows and whatnot. So the inside of my front cover is just a small little envelope, and I have taken a couple of the cut aparts from the collection and just matted them on some scrap black cardstock that I had. Now all of my mats are done with this gold foil cardstock. This is from Recollections. I really like it. And then this is just a small little journaling tag that I created to just tuck in the back. Now all of the cut aparts that I have matted, any that are glued on do not interfere with the photo mats, and I have some journaling spots and some cut aparts that I have tucked in to various places. This I just made with some excess cardstock that I had and some of the scraps of the pattern paper from the collection, and then I just created a little tuck space in the back to tuck in more of the cut aparts. I did use a little bit of champagne glitter cardstock. I think it's champagne, just to add a little bit more accent in some areas. So this is what the front cover says: Life's beauty is hidden in the everyday. And then I have some more photo mats and some more cut aparts in tuck spaces as well. So you can see this is open to allow a photo in, and then I just have a few more of the photo mats. And again, this tuck apart or tuck space is open, so you can actually tuck your photos into the photo mats. And then I have a tuck space here as well with just another one of the cut aparts. This had a lot of cut aparts in the collection. So here I have another one of the little envelopes. And then I tucked in a few more of the cut aparts as well. And then I had a handmade flower that I made with some gold foil cardstock. This is a real envelope. It is magnetized with a closure. And then I've just tucked in a bunch of other matted cut aparts from the collection inside the envelope, because there really were quite a few of them. So I just went through and matted them all on some extra black cardstock and tuck them into this envelope. And then I have another tuck away here with a cut apart and some more photo mats, and some more photo mats with a little tuck away, more cut aparts. There were quite a few in this collection, so I really like this collection. I think it was really beautiful. So that's the album. It's really simple to make, and it has quite a bit of space for photos as well. So thanks for watching, everyone, and as always, if you're interested in seeing more, don't forget to click on that subscribe button.